This is going to be interesting. My next guest says he invested $20 into Rocketbunny. That is a cryptocurrency. He says he woke up a trillionaire. Christopher Williamson, put him on the screen. That's the man who says he woke up and found himself worth $1 trillion. Christopher, obviously
Yes.
you are not a trillionaire, but can you tell me how much of your $20 in Rocketbunny you still got left?
Right now, I don't have an answer for that because the accounts have been pretty much frozen and locked out. I think as of this morning, it's still fluctuating in price at like 151 trillion today. So, still not sure what's going on, honestly.
That's not a legitimate price for Rocketbunny now, is it?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Was it some kind of typo, do you think, when you read it on your phone?
Like I said, right now, I'm not sure. I've reached out to Coinbase. We're going on 6 days now. Really nothing has came from that.
I mean, it's possible that Rocketbunny no longer exists. I mean, I don't know that, and I'm not being pejorative here, but it's entirely possible that there is no longer a crypto called Rocketbunny. Am I right?
No. Rocketbunny is very much alive. They've been in touch with me. The developers of Rocketbunny have pretty much been what has kept me going. Sorry about this, my cat.
That's your cat.
Kept me
Okay.
sane.
Have you bought any other cryptos apart from Rocketbunny?
I have. I've been purchasing now for, I'm saying, around 8 months. So I kind of look at what's new and, what the coin is about. Mainly charitable coins, things like that.
All right, how much have you made so far from all your crypto investments?
I'm going to say Doge was my best. That was kind of like the best payment that I had got out of anything so far. Other than, picking up my phone the other morning and seeing the $1 trillion in there. But, of course, we all know that something's going on there.
Yeah, I think so too. Now, last one. Have you been hearing from long-lost relatives?
Not yet. I've been pretty much keeping to myself here and, talking to close family members and then, you guys, the media.
Yeah, it's all our fault. You're going to be hearing from a lot of people after this, believe me. But Christopher, you're a good sport, and I thank you very much for being on the show. I hope you're worth $1 trillion, but I suspect you're not. And keep us in touch and tell us how you're going.